Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the keyboard layout and test center setup so nothing surprises you. Once done, sit with neutral posture and place your dominant hand on home keys to reduce movement. This improves speed. Next, start a timed Ucat practice section and use only the keyboard for navigation to build muscle memory. Make sure to notice how arrow keys, tab, and enter behave in the test interface so you can switch efficient keystrokes into habit before moving to full sections. Now you focus on building consistent speed without sacrificing accuracy. Start by mapping essential keys and testing their effects in the Ucat interface. Once familiar, use 5 to 10-minute drills that force you to answer and navigate using only keys. As you progress, refine finger economy by assigning 1 to 2 fingers to clusters of keys and minimizing travel distance. This reduces fatigue. Finally, alternate harder and easier item batches so you maintain accuracy, while to finish, simulate full-timed Ucat sittings so you learn pacing and end-of-section checks. Practice quick reviews using keyboard flags and skips. Once done, make sure to use shortcuts consistently to mark questions and return without losing time. If you encounter input lag, mistyped answers, or unexpected key behavior, stop and reset your posture. Remap keys mentally, and if the problem persists, inform test staff immediately so they can resolve hardware issues. This preserves your score potential under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.